some sausage?
Yeah, take it easy. It's cold. Gotta warm it up. It's cold.
Hello. I am actually going to Uber to Culver. And the reason why I thought of this is because I thought it'd be a great idea. Even though it's kind of crappy out, I want to see what it would be like to do that in the weather that we're in. Even though normally in Chicago we can only wait till summer to go out for ice cream. And I just really would like some ice cream. But we don't have a whole lot in the fridge, so I'm gonna go out by myself and go for ice cream. I'm going to come out, and I literally just fixed my hair curly, so I want to see what would happen. You know, you just never know what kind of people you'll meet. You'll never know. I was just like bored, so. That's how long the Uber. I'm waiting supposedly 42 minutes, 13 minutes, not bad. But I'm gonna see how long it takes me for the Uber to get here. It's supposed to be coming here in 2 minutes, depending on the pickup. We're just gonna sit here and wait. It's shitty out here in Chicago. This is seriously gonna take forever. I'm like gonna bitch this guy out very soon because I'm gonna be like, hey, what's up? You know? Because it is actually kind of annoying. I want my ice cream so bad. I'm not like one of those fat ass people you see on YouTube who eat all day. I just really I've been working all day and I need a little bit of a sugar boost. So that's my issue. That's the reason. So far we've been waiting 7 minutes. 7 minutes. I just looked at the Uber upgrade and it says 7 minutes. So it should be here soon. Then this is actually getting really annoying though. Because sometimes they come sooner and sometimes this is a share rider. That's how long the Uber. I'm waiting supposedly 42 minutes, 13 minutes, not bad. But I'm gonna see how long it takes me for the Uber to get here. It's supposed to be coming here in 2 minutes, depending on the pickup. We're just gonna sit here and wait. It's shitty out here in Chicago. They finally showed up. Thank God. I was hoping. My screen door is broken. My dog inside by himself. So he actually doesn't go on a crate anymore. He used to, but now we're trying to break him from that. So he should be good. And he went to the groomers today. So this is Lemmy. Fiji.
Dana?
Hi.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I figured get a little closer so you don't have to slide down the driveway here.
Yeah. I get it.
This goofy weather, man.
I know, I really want some ice cream and it's April and I'm like dying for something sweet. So I'm like,
Where you go? I got a friend who lives in Denver and I just sent her a picture. I go, I think I'm in Denver. And she goes, I was outside cut my dress, shorts and t-shirt today. And I'm like, yeah, I hate you. But they're supposed to get snow on Monday. So I'm like, okay, well, that's Denver.
I don't like this weather.
Nobody
I'm
does.
Only because I'm ready for summer
Yeah, everybody is.
and it's Chicago. I have no freaking clue what spring is.
Not really, no. Summer and winter, that's about it. Well, fall was decent.
Using the right 2 lanes, proceed
It's
straight
okay,
on East
but-
47th Street.
Where's the Culvers? Is it over on
In a half mile, proceed
Is it
straight
an
on
active?
West 47th
Yeah.
Street.
in Lions?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's in Lions. Yeah, I wouldn't go anywhere else but Lions.
No? I
Oh,
wanted to
and
go
it
that
comes-
way anyway, so...
Yeah.
Uh-oh, what's that?
Head to your pickup at 4405 Monday.
Oh, you got another pickup?
You did the pool, didn't you?
Yeah, I got the share rider.
Yeah, we're picking
Because the other
something
one is more expensive, so...
What?
The other one was more expensive, like high price. I
Oh,
didn't
yeah.
want to
If you
do
do it just by
anything that's...
yourself, right?
Yeah.
Alright, well, we're picking
I just
something.
really wanted ice cream at the couple. This is just like bizarre. I mean, I would have bought one at a grocery store because I work, but I wasn't in the mood to like go and shop. When you get out of work, you kind of just want to leave.
Using the right 2 lanes, proceed straight on West
So-
47th Street.